Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your video call on WhatsApp is showing mirrored or inverted. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this video. So if your camera is also showing glitch like this whenever you call, you just simply have to go into your settings and into there search for app manager or app setting. And after going into app setting, just simply find WhatsApp into your apps, and after that you just simply have to force stop your WhatsApp at first, and after doing that you just simply have to go into storage setting, and into here just simply click to this clear cache button and clear your WhatsApp cache. After this your problem will be solved into your WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.